Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. And welcome to today's cryptocurrency portfolio update, where I update a cryptocurrency portfolio that we've been doing this since February 2021. Now, before I continue, it's important for me to do a disclaimer. So I'm not a financial planner or financial advisor, and so nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Do your own research. You also understand that investing can be risky, so you do not invest more money in investments than you can afford to lose. So with that, let me share my screen, and make sure you stay to the end of the video, because after the update, I always talk about something of interest different. So let's share my screen. So this is the spreadsheet I've been updating. There's three main columns: the altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals column. So the green is when the market has moved forward on the previous day, red is when it's moved backward on the previous day. So we've got lots of backwards and forward, as you can see. The good thing about this, it starts to form a pattern for analysis purposes. But the last update I did, it was green, mostly almost 2 days in a row. So here we are on the 4th of January. Happy New Year, by the way, if it's your first time joining us this year. And let's put in today's figures. So what we've got here, we go to this figure, this page here. So this is the page I actually want to get. So the figure I'm looking for here is 186,000. Let me just explain this first of all. This portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of specially selected altcoins and the totals column. And we've got US dollars on the left, British pounds on the right, same portfolio, just the conversion and approximate conversion, by the way. And this is the percentage split between the two asset classes. So let's take this figure here, 186,449. That's 100. So we'll take this figure here, 186,449. Time right now in the UK, and so 186,449. 186,449. 51. Okay. So that's minus 871. So that's down. That's going to be colored red. And the top figure here, 233,207.62. So 233,207.62. Also down as well, 1,415 down on yesterday. And Bitcoin is also down 541 on yesterday. So basically, they're all down. So the altcoins are down 871. Bitcoin is down 541. And the total portfolio is down 1,413. So this is showing you, if you've been watching this video series, the patience that you have to have when you're growing a portfolio, and the ups and the downs the portfolio goes through. And if you follow previous videos, you'll be able to see that as most of these, 99% of these have been recorded in videos. And if you want to see the very first video, it's the link below the video, below this video, when the portfolio is 106,000. So anyway, that's fine. Just take a look at the markets. Okay, so the market cap is about 2.24 trillion at the moment. So it's holding strongly. Stochastic RSI looks like it's about to go up as this orange line, the blue line and orange line, have crossed over. So it's about to go upwards. So there's going to be, looks like it's heading towards an increase. The RSI looks like we have a higher, what we call a higher low. So the momentum seems to be moving upward, even though things are downwards. Although the money flow seems to be down, seems to be low. But there looks like there's a turn right at this tip here, like that's about to turn upwards. So that means it could be more cash flowing into the crypto market. This is just the whole crypto market, by the way. If you want to zoom in just on Bitcoin, here's a 2-week chart. Let's just look at maybe a 1-week chart. It shows, change that to 1-day chart. Okay. So, you know, Bitcoin came down from its recent high, got stuck at 30,000, 29,000, went back up to 69,000. Now it's down at the 46,000 mark. And it was going along this channel, but it seems to have diverted. And that's why I left this yellow line here. And we'll see how long it stays diverted until it gets back on track up on this channel. It may take months, might be weeks. Important thing is this, as we're getting through, let's get rid of this volume bars. As we're getting through, as you can see, the green line here, the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average are projected to cross somewhere around the 17th of January, 17th to 18th of January. They're getting closer right here. So they haven't crossed yet. They're like this. As you can see, they're kind of like this, heading towards, because we've got the price action here, which is under the 200-day moving average. So the market is bearish at the moment. When the price action is above the 200-day average, and especially above the 50-day moving average, we're bullish. But now that the price is falling below the 50-day moving average, which is the green line, and struggling underneath, using the 200-day moving average as resistance, we're definitely bearish at the moment. You know, you can have bull periods and bullish and bearish periods within a bull run cycle. So anyway, if it continues as this, it looks like we're projected to hit a death cross, what was known as a death cross, where the green line crosses over the red line, which could force the price downward even more before it recovers and turns upwards. Remember, no condition is permanent as far as, you know, the market flow goes. Bitcoin, especially when it goes down, it will go up. When it goes up, it will go down. The key is to position yourself in a way that you make money regardless of the direction. That's the best way. So whether it goes down, it's fine. You're making money. When it goes up, you're making money. But if you're anxious because you're sided, one way or the other, then you may be feeling. Some people are feeling. The bears are feeling elated right now. The bulls are, tearing their hair out. But and very interesting. Just to take a quick look at this fear and greed. So fear. There's a lot of extreme. Well, it says extreme fear in the market at the moment. Yesterday was just fear. Today is extreme fear. So it means a lot of retail investors have run for the hills, or have sold or not, and the reason is because they're not patient. Warren Buffett said that, these markets are like a device that transfer money from the patient, from the impatient to the patient. And so what that means is this means is that a lot of retail investors, those who have sold their Bitcoin, have left the market. So it shows a lot of fear of running for the hills. But the true investors would be holding, and this gives them an opportunity to pick up Bitcoin and other coins at bargain prices. You see, so because you need to be patient. And if anything, this video series should have taught you is patience. And so but things are going to turn around, and then when it goes up, the retail investors will run back in and buy at a higher price, which is kind of silly, really. But that's what they do. 95% of people lose money in this, but we'll keep an open eye. This indicator here shows again that we're still bearish, with the red on top and the green at the bottom. So when it swishes around and when you've got the green on top, the red at the bottom, then you know that the market has changed to bullish. This yellow line here shows it's come down, but it seems to be turning upwards. So it could, if it moves upwards, like the way this moved upwards, this shows the strength of this bearish move. So we shall watch this. It seems to be turning upwards. We don't know which angle it's going to go upwards, but if it goes upwards, it would mean there's going to be a lot of strength behind this downward trend until we see these two lines meet, the green and the red meet, and then cross over. That may not be for a few weeks or even a few months. Certainly not a few weeks, because the desk cross to come first. So that may not be for a few months, but it will change. As you can see in history, we've got the red on the top, the green at the bottom, the green at the top, the red at the bottom. It always changes. The problem with most people, they want to change now, but that's just not the way the markets work. They work in cycles, and we just have to be patient as we go through the various cycles. There was a cycle here when green was on top, as you can see, and red was on the bottom. Now it's red on top, green at the bottom. So we know what's coming next. Green is going to be at the top very soon, and red will be at the bottom. It's just, it's just the way the market goes. So we'll keep you posted, keep watching the videos. You'll see when they start to meet and when the crossover happens. If you're not already done so, visit the website IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. Scroll down and get your millionaire mindset. Fill in the short form here. We'll send you a free training that will show you how to develop that millionaire mindset and stable investment strategy, so you can implement that straight away and watch all the videos and apply exactly as it's shown you. Now, I'm always going to be talking. I'm going to just keep this brief, but you talk about this sub-statement here, this subheading, how to understand the game of money and play it well. And this is the year in which you need to really learn how to understand the game of money and play it well, because there's a lot of inflation coming, okay? And you've got to have your money working for you so that more effectively, so that you beat the rate of inflation. Okay, I'll be talking more about that in upcoming videos. But that's it for now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Hit the notification button, share it, and all that stuff. And I want to thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.